Hello everyone, this is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. I have a Dollar Tree haul to share with you and I hope that you will join me. I picked up a few items on my trip to the Dollar Tree this week. I picked up this sticker. This is one of those repositionable stickers and it's the embroidered feathers. I picked up one. And then I also picked up this sticker. This is a rub-on transfer. It has the peach and the aqua floral prints on there. I really like the colors. I do have one already, but I needed another one, so I was able to find this one and quite happy with that one. And then I picked up this 2023 calendar. This is by Jot. And let's see, you get the magnetic backing and you get the notepad and then you get all the little tiny calendar there. It's 3.87 inch by 8 inches. But what I like to do is just cut this off. And then this is what I do. I put it on my little stand right here on my craft table. I know I have calendars everywhere, like on my computer or phone, wherever, but I still like to have the physical calendar close by. And then I can use my calendar notepad for everyday use. I also picked it up in this one. This one is the orange floral print. I like this one, dude. It's cute. So yeah, I picked up one each. I am quite looking forward to the new calendar though. I'm still waiting. But look at this. I picked up some flowers. This is just the Black Eyed Susan and it's the regular floral. But I think that it looks good for harvest. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Now Dollar Tree does have their harvest floral out, so check your Dollar Tree and take a look at all the flowers that they have for harvest. Look at that. I love them. They're so cute. So I went to my Dollar Tree today because I've been busy and they're starting to put out harvest items. I am so excited. And I received an email from Dollar Tree and it said that they are shipping Halloween and harvest merchandise to the stores. So that was my main reason for going today. And guess what? It's true. I am so excited. So let me show you the items that I picked up. I picked up the fall items today. And I took some pictures also, which I'll add for you. Look at this. This is one of those square table toppers. And it says it's fall, y'all. So cute. I love the orange colors. Really adorable. I picked up one. And then I picked up some window clings too. So they have an assortment of window clings available, just so you're aware. Take a look at your store. They're so cute. Oh, so yeah, they have a lot of signs out already. And then also, while I'm at it, let me tell you, they have Halloween coming. Yeah, so they were unloading the truck at one of my stores today, and they were putting the Halloween merchandise on the carts, the flat carts that Dollar Tree has. So I am quite looking forward to going back. Probably Saturday is when they'll have all that stuff out. So look at this. Isn't this cute? It has 11 pieces. And it says Hello Autumn, Sweater Weather, and Pumpkin Spice Please, Golden Days. Oh Autumn, it's nice to see you again. Isn't that cute? Got glitter socks and a glitter basket. Fall is in the air, season of change. Stay cozy. Autumn splendor, happy harvest. And here's a basket of apples and celebrate autumn. How cute is that, right? Just adorable. Okay, so I picked up one of these. And then I also got this one. This is 12 pieces. Look at that. Give thanks. I just love the colors. I think this is going to be like the color scheme this year. Just adorable, isn't it? Just beautiful. And I also picked this one up. Look at this one. Just cute. It says hello autumn. I love the colors. So cute. Oh, look at this. It's got the hot cocoa on there. Just cute. And then there's a cup of coffee if you want coffee. A tea kettle. Oh, so cute. And then this one too. This is the last one that I picked up. And then this is a pumpkin that says, leaves are falling, autumn is calling. Isn't that cute? Look at that. It's just so cute. I love it. I'm quite happy I stopped at my Dollar Tree today. So I picked up one each of these window cleaners. Just adorable. Look at that. So yeah, I went online and I took a look at all the new harvest items. I don't think they have everything listed yet, but there are some new items on there that I would like. So they have this, you know, those little wooden pieces that they have every year, the 3D pieces. They have one that has the little pears on there and little apples. So I want some of those. It's going to be amazing. I love my sign. So cute. But yeah, take a look. Go to your Dollar Tree and take a look at all this new stuff that's coming in. I really am looking forward to the wall calendars too. I know that's coming soon also. Well, I had one very happy trip to Dollar Tree today. I'm so happy to see harvest items. Just adorableness. And I hope that you guys get the chance to go to your Dollar Tree also and take a look at all the new stuff coming in. I hope that you find everything you have on your wish list when you go visit the Dollar Tree. Thank you for stopping by. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.